Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you guys how I install my True Glory hair using Janet's sister collection Esha Girls wig glue, as well as showing you guys how I fix my overbleached knots. Now let's get right into it. In the box, you get some hair care instructions and a headscarf for those edges, which is super cute. Now, this is True Glory Hair's Virgin Brazilian Deep Wave Closure Bob Wig. Ooh, say that 3 times fast. In 14 inches. The closure is 4x4 inches. However, it didn't really seem that small once you actually put it on, so that's a little bit of a plus. It did look like it was plucked a bit, but I did go back in and do some more plucking. The knots were also not bleached, but it did take to the bleach pretty well. Honestly, maybe a little too well because I did over bleach it in a few spots. So there's a million videos on how to fix over bleach knots, but I just wanted to show you guys what I typically use. I start off with the Dark and Lovely fade resistant dye in the color Natural Black because that is my natural color. Obviously follow the directions for mixing the dye. It comes in the box. And I usually put the dye in a mixing bowl and then go in with a spoolie section by section, covering all the blonde spots with the dye. Now, I make sure to be super careful that I don't get it on the lace, which this spoolie kind of helps to prevent because it doesn't catch the lace per se. It just catches the hairs. But shit happens. So if you find yourself with some overbleached knots, just remember that patience is a virtue when it comes to fixing it, okay? Once I dye the knots, I ended up dyeing the rest of the wig the natural black color. Sometimes I do this, sometimes I don't. It just depends on how I'm feeling. I did feel like it looked more like a color 2 and I wanted it to be a little darker, so that's why I did that. And because it was a shorter length, the one box was enough to cover everything. So here is the before, literally giving the girls balding. And here is the after. It looks so much better, y'all. So I braided my hair myself, y'all. And as you can see, I am getting better and better each time you see me braid my hair. And we love that for us. We love that for us. So thumbs this video up just for that, okay? Thumbs this video up, leave some comments, okay? If you still rock with me and these braids, okay? For the install, we're going to be doing the ball cap method. I made sure to try out the wig so I can just figure out where I need to cut off the cap, where I need to put the glue, and so on and so forth. Once the cap is cut, I'm going back in with my Got To Be spray, which I usually spray on the tail end of my edge brush or directly on the cap depending on how I'm feeling. I just feel like when I spray it directly on the cap, it just lifts a lot quicker. So I do like using the tail end, but it's definitely up to you guys. Once I get that going, then I just smooth the tail over the cap and blow dry at the same time so it just really melts into my skin. I went in with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation on the cap and the wig. Now y'all cannot tell me this ain't giving scalp honey, okay? I was sent the entire line from Esha Girl, and of course you want to make sure to test products on your skin before using them. I did test it, I didn't have any allergies. Now I somehow was not recording when I used the primer, but I did make sure to clean off my skin with some alcohol before spraying it on. It's specifically formulated for people with sensitive skin, so that's definitely a plus. But I'm not gonna lie, it's supposed to be vanilla scented and it really just smells like alcohol. So don't be surprised if it don't smell like vanilla, just saying. Now for the lace glue, it's infused with collagen and topical vitamins such as biotin, just to improve skin elasticity, promote hair growth, and prevent inflammation. The main characteristic of it though that I, was really leaning towards is that it's supposed to be waterproof, heat and humidity resistant. Now, I wore this hair while I was in Mexico for my birthday, and let me tell y'all, I was definitely testing out that heat and humidity, and it failed the test, okay? It failed the test. So, the wig is down, y'all. Now, it don't look as plucked as I thought it was gonna look on my scalp, but I think in the morning it should look a lot better. So, I'm just about to tie it down, just so it like really melts to my skin. And we're gonna see what this working with, because it's feeling kind of secure. Not really. I don't know. So the plan initially was to wear this wig when I went to my surfing lesson in Tulum. But y'all, by the second day, I went to sleep on Sunday, Monday morning, my wig was up and stuck, honey, okay? And of course, I was hoping that it was gonna be down and forgot to bring stuff to touch it up with. Like, I didn't even have got-to-be spray, y'all. I didn't have nothing, absolutely nothing. So I was looking a hot mess in these streets, and I ended up having to do my hair. I brought braiding hair as a backup just in case, and I'm glad that I did because my weight was up. I do love that the glue is in this little squeeze tube. It makes application a lot easier, and I feel like it doesn't dry up around the top like with other glues. I will say getting it out of the tube the first time was a little tricky because, you know, like when you open just even lip gloss and that first little squeeze, it just gushes out and you're just like, okay, what the frig? That's exactly what happened. But once you kind of get the hang of it, get all of the product like down to the, you know, the opening, then, you know, it's all good. It's all good in the hood. So I don't know why I always cut the lace like not where it's supposed to be cut. But I mean, it doesn't look too bad, but I'm just lying. The curls are very much uneven, as you can see. Like, it's not giving what it's supposed to give, and I am going to cut it because I need it to be even, and I want to give it some shape and just make it look a lot better. I don't know, I think because it's uneven, it's not really doing nothing for me, but it is what it is, what it is. Yeah, I'm gonna cut it a little bit just to even it out. Oh, I'm nervous. Y'all know I don't be cutting hair because I like to save every strand. Oh, but this was gifted, so I can't really say nothing. But still, still nervous. Okay, let me just cut it. Cut it, cut it, cut it. Like, I think you're supposed to cut curly straight across. Y'all, I'm nervous. Still uneven to me. I just want to get into these baby hairs because I know y'all see me getting better at my edges. I'm getting better at my braiding, my edges, my installations. Like, I am just getting better, and we love that. I'm just saying that again because we love that. Thumbs up this video if you love that for me too. Now, I'm just giving the hair a little bit of layers in the front just so it has some more body and dimension. When I tell you guys, I stand for this curl pattern so much. Like, curly bobs on me just give me all the feels. Like, and y'all gonna see. Y'all seen in the beginning, I was feeling myself with this little bob.
Yeah, what's up? You know the beginning, you always so they call you Bob. Stop playing, like, you're not for the Bob. Yeah.
It's cute, y'all. Let me do my makeup because it's cute. This is giving. This is giving beach waves. Big body beach waves. Nobody. Hopefully these sides start to come together because it's not coming together like I want it to. But yeah, I think maybe when I do my makeup, I'll feel like I'm at the beach or whatnot. But yeah, I'll be back. All right, guys. So this is the final look. I am obsessed. This lace. Ask about it, okay? It looks so good. It took the bleach really well. The only thing that I will say is I feel like one side is a lot thicker than the other. And I tried to cut in some layers, but y'all know I do not like getting scissor happy because I am not a professional. So I don't got time. And y'all know I like to save every strand that I can because even though I didn't pay for this, I still like to save every strand. I really love the length. I'm really getting into these short haircuts on me. I don't know. I just love it. Like, I'm speechless right now. I am speechless. I was not expecting it to look this good. I did go ahead and, not long curl. What is it called? Not flat iron. Hot comb. I hot combed the part just a little bit and put some wax on it just to get rid of the flyaways. So that's why it looks a little shiny on the top, but that'll go away pretty soon. It's fine. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was super informative. I hope that you guys try this hair out, and if you do, tell True Glory Hair that I sent you. Okay, I think I have a coupon code, and I'll leave that in the description box below. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you're alerted when I post new videos. thumbs this video up, of course, because you like what you see and you want more, and leave some comments down below if you're gonna try this, and anything else you want to leave down below, leave it, okay? But thanks again, guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye.